Today I have a very special video for you. I want to show you one of the most lucrative social media advertising clients that you could possibly get. I'm going to explain to you why in this video. Then I'm going to show you step by step in this video how you can pick up your own real estate agency as well. Not just a real estate client. I'm going to show you how to become in charge of the entire marketing agency so that you could have an opportunity to pick up a few different real estate clients. Having the agency is way better than just having a client or two, because you literally get an opportunity to pitch your services to every single real estate agent that is in the agency. And just after having my own personal experience talking to the business owner of the real estate agency, I had to learn that I'm not stepping on anybody's toes if I'm running ads, to try to capture leads and whatnot. Because in the real estate game, if one of his agents wins, the whole place wins, I guess. So I had a meeting with the broker, and what he told me was that it's totally cool if I want to capture the leads for him so he can distribute it out to the agency, and also I can capture leads for each individual agent as well. Now, why is this relevant? Because of dollar signs, guys. Dollar signs, people. Like, you could charge the agency itself $2,000 a month. And that's just the agency. You can then charge each client individually somewhere between $1,500 to $3,000. And this is all possible, and this is all real due to the long-term value of one happy, satisfied person. Because you also have to factor in the possibility of a referral, and those seem to happen a lot. So in this video that you guys are going to watch today, I'm going to bring you into my computer, and I'm going to show you literally how all this happens and how you can get started and try to pick up your real estate agency today.